Welcome to Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, where we have the 2017 Ford Explorer Sport. EcoBoost under the hood, 6-speed automatic, remote entry, remote start, backup camera, reverse sensing, power tailgate, 7-passenger. Just under 60,000 kilometers. Full leather, power heated, cooled front seats, twin panel moonroof for you.
For Highway 17 underneath the Fort Man Bridge deck. There's an immediate need for blood. Donor centers remain open throughout the pandemic.
Voice navigation, Sony audio there. Terrain management system. Very nice Explorer Sport. You can find it at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.